Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Maanta waxaan sameynaynaa simple node application. Node application oo simple ah. Anoo isticmaalayno MERN stack. Means waxaan isticmaali doonaa React as front, MongoDB database, Node as a backend, Express and so on. Marka waa buufsinaynaa. Actually it's very simple waaye, wax very complex ma ahan. Okay. So marka hore sameyna marka. Okay. Isku daya inaan sharaxo each file, each line sharax isku daya. So be with me. Korfela markita awrina go to the file. So folder sameynayna. Cusub. Let's go to maybe docs dhexgal. Okay. I am new file. Let's say maybe node. Then enter. Select. Okay. Yeah, trust this one. So marka waxaan sameynayna folderkan waxa abuurayna folders dhex abuurayna. So folderka uu sii baahanaya maybe or backend oo ku qori doono. So maybe backend and maybe another folder kale. So maybe front end. Marka banaankaski. Okay. Markana dhex galno new file serverka abuurna oo node.js ayna marka server.js. Marka waxa u baahanaa marka sidii caadi ah naasadano express iyo database-ka so terminalka add. Okay. So let's say hadayna marka npm node package install marka waxa u baahanaa waa express. Then waxaan sii baahanahay mongoose database-ka iyo also node man. What else? Let's open I guess. Okay, okay, stop so. Waxaan sameynaa haday waxa ku jiray Soomaali folderka aan dhigay node kara marka. Marka waxaan leeyahay cd waxa ay geysaa laga dhahay backend waxaan leeyahay markaas node init. Then install gareyna. Okay, description yes. Then author maybe it's me. I think we all good. Okay. Then I'm gonna npm install. How about maybe express, then mongoose, and also the last one node man. Like one node diary. Okay. Okay. So I think waqti yar u qaadanaa. Also kana dhexgal qaybta kale aad diyaarino oo ahay qaybta front-end-ga ina marka qaybtan ina cdn waxaan geysaa qaybta kale front-end ugi. Marka react abuurina ina marka npx create -react-app then dot waxa waaye folderkan wax ku dhex abuur folder magac mu bixinayno. Okay. Markana iska xirno go back to the node-ka. Okay. I think we're done. Now not afirno dhexgalno. Now waxaan sanaa dependency afirno express mongoose node man. Okay. Inta calina marka meeshaan ugu bedel node man. Save that. Okay. Okay. Markana waxaan soo dhig maybe connect. Let's say connect. So express of course express require then express. Okay. Also abanahay dana app ka sameyno express adayna express semicolon ka option y inaa ku jirtid muhiima but just telling line can I'm done with this line. So in our app dot listen maybe server 1 maybe 5,000 comma and then maybe haddii uu jiro responsiga ina ogaano waa anaga so nagu sii soo bandhig maybe server is running on maybe port 5k smoothly. Okay, testagareyna marka rangareyna serverka rangareyna marka npm start npm then start. Okay, nice, now it's working fine. Good. So marka I'm response adirno that I can cron kadina maybe localhost maybe 5000, nothing, there's no response. Ina marka haddii response jiro now waxaa sameynaa qaybta routingka marka haddii oo URL lasoo galo waxay dhici lahaa marka dot get haddii routing oo sidaan la yimaado waxaa rabaa in qofkaas yani action loo diro. Ina marka response qofkaas loo diri doono waxaa waaye dot send waxaa u direedaa maybe text will say hi from maybe node save, then refresh, now saying hi. Okay, good. So okay, sameynaa marka now marka sameynaa qaybta noshka marka we'll say comments, say maybe connecting to the database. Okay, so haddana waxaan u baahana waxaa marka inaan sameyno in database u wacano say connect maybe mongoose require waxaan ugu wacdaa mongoose. Okay, waxaan dhahna marka mongoose dot connect marka waxaa isticmaalaa waxaa lagu weydiinaya marka link URL-ka database-ka meesha marka أنا waxaa isticmaalaa MongoDB campus mango I believe yeah MongoDB campus soconaya. So I think kii marka local waa marka so noqon doonaa maybe MongoDB local. Okay, let's see. ama waxaan sameyneynaa inta kasoo koobiyeynaa say connect and then copy the link URL kaas marka database-ka inaan marka save. Okay, inta dhigana marka paste. Okay, hadana marka dot then condition haduu fiican yahay if there is no error waa inaan ogaana aniga marka inaan console.log let's say database has been connected successfully nagu sii markaas haddii laakiin if there is any error dot catch error hadduu jiro waa inaan error la catch gareeyaa catch the error console.log maybe the error. That's all we need. So save that and now refresh. So now we're gonna see either this one or maybe the error. Refresh. It's not even saying. So it was running on port 3. So what is the issue? Let's give it time. Okay, I think qaybtan weysto maybe inta xadhina 0.0.0 save that. Nice. So local system yaqaan marka maybe. Okay, good. That's why we're done with that one. So now we're good markaas. Now waxaan abuuranaa marka model marka database model u sameynayna inta magaca new folder. So maybe model is sameynayna marka file oo ah so maybe hadayna marka node model.js node-ka marka maxaa ugu baahan alaada design-keena I don't know soo noqonayo. Let's see the react here. Okay, react maxaa, what is this? Let's see react, maybe TLS. I'll say npm, maybe npx create hyphen react hyphen up then dot. Okay, hadda la sameynaya marka. Let's go back to the node-ka. Marka waxaan sameynaa model. Marka model waxaa waa simple database-kaaga soo noqonaya. So inta u weynaa mongoose then equal require meesha mongoose ugu wac require then mongoose. Okay, so marka waxaan sameynaa marka waxayna soo noqonaya marka I'll say marka hadina variable abuur. Let's say maybe node, maybe schema sameynayna then equal to new mongoose dot schema. Schema marka maxaa waaye simple explain waxaa sameynaysid see u noqonaya waxaas yani. So marka hadina marka waxaa rabnaa marka hore u baahannahay maybe title node-ka u baahannahay. So typekiis maxaa waaye maybe waa text, so string. Also hadana waxa u baahannahay require waaye. Okay, hadana waxa usii baahannahay second thing waxaa waaye maybe description. So description type-ka maxaa waaye, so maybe type waa string. So waxaan sameynaynaa marka hadana require waaye, so require true. Okay, that's all we need. I think laba u baahanaa kaliya. What else? Title and description, that's it. Marka okay, hadana marka module-kan loo isticmaalo module-kan marka hadana si loo isticmaalo inaan marka aan export gareyna module dot exports equal marka waxaa weynaa marka mongoose-kaas dot model in model noo abuuro. Marka model abuuro waxaa marka nodes abuurina then comma and then obviously schema isticmaalayno maybe node schema waxay soo ekaanayaan. That's all we need. So this one markaas iska xir dhamaani inta imaanina marka isticmaalna marka kalama inta ka wacno maybe this one hena conist okay hadana maxaa u bixinay. Let's say maybe node, say node model equal require marka fileka banaanka yaala .x ./models bana node model. Okay, we good. Okay, so marka waxaan sameynaynaa waxaan sameynaa marka routing wanta abuurina. Okay, let's see the react mesh marayso. Let's see I'm going. Okay, hadda waxaan sameynaynaa marka grammar iska xiro. waxaan sameynaynaa routing-ka qaybteed marka app oo express-ka dot get get maahan mar waxaan sameynaa inta ku qoro maybe I'll say let's say maybe putting data into database and marka app dot get marka waxaan linki meesha URL la aadayo routing la aadayo inaan sheegno marka ina marka hi slash maybe markii la aado register then comma marka waxaan dhahay waa asynchronous waaye, so in isticmaalno waa asynchronous, then request and response labada variable muhiim ah mar kasta. Okay, inta waxaa ka dhacaya marka waxaan rabnaa inaan dhahno adina marka try this one, try and also catch hadduu error jiro markaas error catch gare. Catch, there is an error catch gare markaas console.log error. You know, there are a ton of errors when you're dealing with database, so always you need to use these things. Then marka hore waxaan sameynaa variable abuur const, I'll say maybe I'll say data, I'll say maybe new node. waxaa marka kada sameynaa model noo hay this one node model, ina marka node model. Okay, so waxaa sumaad abuurina marka. Okay, marka wax abuurina waxaa marka waxaa dhahaynaa marka hore title waxaa noo hayo oo waxaa u dhiibaynaa request meesha imaan doono .body.title, comma, and description isna waxaa la mid yahay requestiga imaan doono body.description. It's u baahna marka, so put a semicolon here. Okay, ina marka variable kala samee const, ina marka let's say save it node, ina marka waxaa u dhiibaynaa new node dot save. Okay, so marka kan waa asynchronous waa dhina marka await ku dar si loo sugo. haddii waxaan sax yihiin markaas responsive soo laabanayo response.send, and you will see save data. Okay, nice. So save this and now refresh. So just garana marka API geena go to the, so markan marka waa qalad waaye, so maaha waxaa ka dhiganaya marka API geena mid oo ah yani mid post data qaadanaya, ina marka post dheh. Okay, save this. marka waxaa dhahayna marka hore u baahanahay method waxaa u baahanahay post ah, then linkii la aadayo waxaa marka http://localhost/5000/ then register. Okay, waxaan sameynaa marka qaybta marka booriga imow, haddana waxaa gelinayno marka dhina marka hore title, also maybe reading book, comma, maybe a description. So waxaa dhahayna say maybe I am going to maybe read some books tonight, say that. Okay, now let's hit markaas send. Okay, this issue. Okay, issue maxaa kan haysto da fiirino online, you cannot read the properties undivided title. Okay, marka serverkeena datadan aan u dirino JSON-ka aan ma yaqaano, so we can say maybe go to here, so maybe app.use then express.json isticmaalno u sheeg datadan aan dirino JSON waaye, so you have to know that. Then set enter. Now it is working fine, so this is 200. Okay, good. So we're done with that one. Okay, then move on. Return. Okay, nice. I'm gonna capture and gray of front end. Okay, npm start. Okay, kundada kusoo laabano. Waxaan sameynaynaa marka inta waa dhameynay. So marka API aadana qorin waxaa waaye qaybta oo maybe in xogta soo akhri karna marka app.get in xogta soo akhrinayno ina marka notes request and response sigambarula then andana async maadaama async ay yihiin databaska ila macaamilaya markasta labaas muhiim waaye. Okay, so then try these things. If it didn't work, and maybe let's see the error. Console.log display the error. If there is any error, I gotta see that one. So okay, haweenna marka let's say const data node model dot find. That's all we need. So if there is this one, we have to include a weight. Then response is allowed on response dot send. Let's send that data. Save this. Okay, refresh. Okay, let's test. Okay, so maybe a new request. So maybe I didn't make a post or method gather, then localhost hello. كل واحد بدلنا بس قيبتان just راح علينا كلية notes. If we hit maybe نعم حنوصل أعطي this data status quo 200, which is nice. Okay, now everything's good. Okay, good. Okay, and then waxaa sameynaa marka API ugu dambeeya oo ah inaan delete karna marka. Let's say maybe app dot use waxaana marka delete. Okay, then request and respond async, and then okay, so marka xarna inaan delete karno node. We can't even do that. Okay, so waxaa sameynayna try. So everything we have to try that every time. Catch. Okay, console dot log. If there is any error, we want to see that error. So okay, this is delete marka. So delete one is somehow different thing. So marka hore maadaama wax delete yahay lena marka dot delete. then waxaa sameynayna okay okay waxaa sameynayna lena marka const okay say data maybe delete data, then waxaa marka node model. Okay, marka waxaa dhinaca waxa delete u sheegaynaa marka. Okay, xarna markaan u sheegno waxa la delete marka node model dot delete and run markas one. marka wakas la delete marka waay dhinaca marka id ku delete marka by id ku delete sameeyna marka taadayna id qaado /colon id ina marka harabna id inuu qaadno request imaadoono prompts dot id. then let's say await aku darno inta await. Okay, then response soo laabanayo send delay data. Let's say maybe delay note. Delete note. Okay, we're good. Alright, let's try. Save this. Okay. So delete an ID. Okay. Okay. dadka naga bedel. Waxaan marka delete mid ah. Then waxaan rabnaa marka delete slash markaas ID. Si ID ku helina marka waa inaan isticmaalnaa ID-ga marka. ID-ga marka soo koobiyey control C and then paste. So then hit enter. Nice, now we delete it. Okay, some data agelino data abadina, maybe I'll say register, then dadka bedel, say maybe post. Okay, save this. Okay, data dan abadina, I'll say maybe harna magaca bedel, maybe I'll say cooking. I'm gonna cook some food tonight, then hit enter. Okay, maybe I'll say driving. I'm going to drive some cars and paste. So maybe I'll say maybe swimming. I'm gonna maybe swim. Okay, tonight. You cannot say I'm gonna swim. Okay, yeah, I think it's enough here. Also maybe games. I'm gonna play some games tonight. Okay, that's enough. Marka amar aran garena, go to the browser ka, then marka then slash, so notes, I think notes. Now we have all notes. Okay, good. So it wouldn't be books ka games. Yes, I'm gonna play games. Okay, good. Okay, marka xogtaan soo bandhigna marka go to the frame part. I think we're done with this, with the backend. Close the backend side. We're done with that one. Go to the front side and sort of see. Okay, marka waxaan rabnaa inaan aadno go to the index-ka. Waxaan clean gareyna marka. There are some extra things. Let's say let's delete those files. Delete all those files. We don't need them. Control delete and go to the index.js and clean those things. Let's say maybe h1 hello world. And also we're gonna clean all those things. Clean. Okay. Also let's go to the frame part. Let's see now the frame part. Nice. You say now hello. Okay. Also استعمالنا sidoo kalena waxaan u baahannahay bootstrap in isticmaalno for maybe okay, the bootstrap maybe waxaan u baahannahay this textiga iconiska for somehow. So go to the public folder ka indexka. Let's say maybe paste here. Okay, I'll see the phone now. Nice, clean. Okay, so marka waxaan rabnaa waxaan abuureynaa marka sida caadigeed qaybtan waxaan abuureynaa componentska. Go to the src folder, say new folder, components, and then waxaan sameyneynaa okay. So maxaan u baahnaa marka hore maybe waxaan u baahnaa qayb header aan sameyno, say marka header.js. okay, machine header. okay, so headerkii marka sida caadiga soritaan gareyneynaa div. headerka marka waxaan u baahanahay inaan u sameyno maybe some styling. okay, waxaan dhigi karnaa marka let's say maybe this is header. okay, marka waxaan sameyneynaa headerka marka ama export gareyna si loo isticmaalo. I'll say exports default then header, export that one. okay, marka inta iska imaano headerka inta ka wacnaa dhina marka kan la isticmaalo instead. okay, good. intana waa export meeshu export gareynay, so let's save that. and now is the header part. okay, marka headerka marka let's give a class name, maybe bg, let's say maybe okay, bg success. okay, and text color maybe white. okay, also padding. okay, for all sides maybe 4 is too big, I guess maybe 2. okay, okay, nice. so maybe we're gonna say maybe this part maybe padding waxaan rabnaa top padding maybe rabno. okay, inta marka maybe let's say nodi, take that one. okay, nice. so okay, waxaan sameynaa marka in inta keena button oo plus ah. okay, so go to the maybe qaybta marka headerka waaye waxaan sameynaa marka qaybta formka design garna soo noqonayo. so let's go to components and click new file. marka file wax u baahanahay oo noo sameynayo file noo sameynayo maybe buttonka isnoo keenayo. okay, let's say marka hore maybe main.js also dana waxaan rabnaa and form.js. okay, marka waxaan rabnaa mainka inaan imaano. hadaan mar rabo mainkan marka mainkan asaan isticmaali doonaa as box. sidoo kalena waxaan rabnaa in ku darno some style aan ku darno. marka mainka waxaan dhahaynaa inta wax ka wacinaa marka inta header waa ka wacinaa marka hore headerka, and then haddana waxaa kasii wacinaa markaas qaybta kale ee formka ah. marka waxaan sameyneynaa inaan inta keeno maybe headerka wacno, and then markaas aan sameyno qaybta kale markaas. ama before that intaan inta headerka wacin ka hor inaan sameyno waaye designkana simple wuxuu noqonaa inta inaa keeno inta keena button, inta inaa geena qaybta boxka waxaas noqdaa markaas. marka simple waxaan sameyneynaa div kala abuur, div class name maxaa qaataa, let's say maybe button, let's say maybe add note dagas qaado. inta marka waxaan ogolayaa marka inta waxaan ogolayo maybe icon. marka waxaan isticmaalaynaa react icons. taxdina marka mar inta ka baxno stop there. So maybe npm install react dash icons. Okay, so marka inta xakinaa marka icon marka sidoo kale waxaan isticmaalaynaa qaybtii ahayd waxaan isticmaalaynaa qaybtii ahayd qaybta routing sameynaysay react router. So also install that one, npm I react dash router dom, install that one too. Okay, marka inta xakinaa marka waxaan sameyn inta xakinaa button, let's say maybe a link to also allow doonaa this one, let's say maybe now anchor isticmaalno href maybe .ht.com for now. Say then add. So okay, start. Okay, so qaybta waxaa keenaa marka aan div kala samey markaas divta oo boxka ay meesha imaanayeen, and I believe they're going to work. Okay, marka waxaan sameynaynaa okay, let's go to the header. Alright, okay, alright. Okay, so divta marka waxaa dhahaynaa marka hore div kan loo sameeyo div class maybe container. meesha waxaa bakina inta kina marka htna isticmaalna for now, maybe let's say this is container, save that, and then this is add note. Okay, so nice. Okay, marka inta waxaa keenin okay, so this time marka I seen a class name waxaa qaata maybe let's say okay, let's say main. So go to the markaas file style sameyno new style.css. so file kan inta ku xirna marka the regular way usoo dhaqan html ka waaye, link style sheet then href style.css. okay, marka file ka cadayna marka dot main marka waxaa rabnaa okay, before that intaan main waan ka hor I want to see this one. Okay, where is the main one? So this class maybe left side, so take that one, maybe save this, go to the style and say dot left hyphen side. I don't know width-ka inuu qaata maybe 20%, and maybe height-ka 140 maybe background color maybe coral background, maybe some colors. This one's called for now, and the other part which is dot container. So haramna and now margin okay, left 20%. Okay, and also if there is any height Pretty cool. Save that and then okay, refresh this. Before that, I'm gonna use so export this one. Export default main. Save this. So I want to create a class name. Okay, div class okay, so grab this one and let's maybe close here. So and this name can remove this one and go to the header part and call this the header part. Tag header. Okay, nice. And then we're gonna call a header in a here. So we're gonna say you're gonna use main. Alhamdulillah. Okay, I think we're good. So remove the header part here. We're not gonna use that. So save this and then now refresh. What is it? Okay, good. Use the other part. Okay, let me fix that. Go to the styling part. Say maybe container 20%, and maybe I'll say position maybe fix. Okay, let's check that. All right, so 20% width and 20% width. Maybe I'll say 22%. Let's check that. Did I save it? Oh, this is the case. Okay, nice. So this knife side looks a little bit big, so I'll say maybe 16%. Maybe remove the color. Okay, what about putting this icon right here? Is that gonna be the case? Yeah, we can do that, I guess. We can do that. So this icon can remove gray header isticmaalayo, and then kick that icon and also kick it out too. So we can say maybe go to the main part here. Go to the header. Where is the header part? Go to the header and say I'm gonna put here also some icon. So let's say I'm gonna use icon. Okay, maybe it's when I text, also text. Add note. Save that. And now don't come here and say. So we're not gonna use this one. Move this. And also remove this one, the main container. You don't need that one too. Also this one, you don't need it. So now we're good. Okay, this is container. Okay, we're good. You're right. So you're gonna go to the header part. Go to the header and say class name. Okay. Also maybe header. Go to the style and say dot header. Display flex. Specify content space between. Okay. What is it? Display flex space between. Didn't save this. Okay. So now I'll use icon. So okay, I'm gonna use iconist from maybe React iconist. So I'm gonna search plus icon. Where is plus? Maybe add. Yeah, maybe this plus one. Okay. So I'm gonna export here first in order to use it. Import. I'm gonna use that one from React iconist / AI. Then I want to come here and say kick this out and paste here. Now we got icon. Let's give me a big size. So maybe size maybe 2 em. Have a big one, or I'm gonna say maybe 1 em. Maybe 1.5, 1. Maybe 8. I think it's good. Okay. So remove the edge here. So I'm gonna use now link for routing purpose. Okay, go to the index and import. You're gonna import all about import. Maybe let's say browser. Let's say first React router DOM. So first I'm gonna use browser routing, comma route, comma and routes. Okay. So now I'm gonna say wrap this one with browser routing, browser, in order to allow routing. Take this one and put here. Also I'm gonna use routers, and then take that one and also use the other route, then path as a path, and element is where I'm going to. Okay, nice, go with that one. Then close that route, close out of there. Okay, now we're good. So now we're gonna make another route. So this one is register. Maybe let's say add node, and let's call the form out here. So where is form? Form is right here. I did not use yet form. I'm gonna call from here, then div close. So now let's export the form to use it. Export form. Okay, so go to the now index and set that I know the form. Okay, save this. Now they know. Save that, close the styling, close main. So come to the form. So let's set that maybe h1. This is form. Before that, we're gonna call the header tool here. Header part. Okay. So now let's go to the slash add node. Use the form. Nice. Okay. So now let's prepare the form. We're gonna use maybe form class. Let's say maybe form dash control, then label. So maybe enter title, and next we're gonna need the input. Type is actually text. We don't need this one. Class name. So maybe form dash control. All right. So let's copy those two. Okay, delete this one, delete that one. Okay, then enter description. Save this. Okay, now the form is too a little bit big. Let's say maybe the form width should be maybe width maybe 75%, maybe 50%. Okay, let's wrap that form maybe into the maybe div. I don't think it's now it's good. Let's see, maybe let's give it body. Yeah, it's nice. I think this form is too a little bit big. Okay, so I'm gonna check that one. So this one, it's actually too big. Let's say maybe 25%, 25. How about that one? Yes. Okay. So I can make a center. Let's make the center. Okay. Maybe we can wrap to the maybe div class name, maybe I'll say row. And div class maybe column, and now I'll say maybe just the fine content, make a center. Justify content center, so maybe 12. We can now make that center. Okay. This is terrible. I've used class. Okay, remove that one. And maybe remove the other one. All right. So let's make this a center. So call this one, go to CSS. I'll say maybe dot row display flex justify content center. Okay. And I'll leave maybe some padding. Maybe 5 padding. Okay. I think maybe it's too big. Maybe 4. Now where's the I'm missing now button. I'll do a button here. So maybe save. The class name btn dash success. Then also maybe let's say margin top and bottom maybe 5 pixel. Also maybe padding in everywhere maybe 5. I mean padding in the sites. Say btn lg, which is large. Okay, I think I got. These two things, let's give a size. Go to this label, say class, maybe margin y, maybe 4. Nice, clean. All right, so maybe this form, let's make center this text too. Okay, class name text center. Okay, let's give maybe say maybe add note. Okay, good. So button can, if I click the button, now it's not link and anti-malware. So let's do that. Let's go to the header. Go to header, and here is the button somewhere. Okay, so remove that one. Say maybe link, and then link. Okay, so link's missing something. Is where it's going to. Okay. Okay, so link is going to add node. Let's import the link here from React or DOM. So we need a link here. Then save that, and now we're good. So now let's click. Now it become a link. What happened? So let's go to the, say maybe he's the class. So maybe item Ivan link. Okay, text color give a white. All right, And where is the space then? Maybe save that. Maybe 4. Okay. So now if I click this, and now here, if I click this node, maybe I'll put another nodes here. Let's back. Okay, and click here. Here's a link one. And then click here. Okay. So let's make this one a link node. Okay, is header? Yeah. Say maybe link is going to this way slash, that's the home, then grab that one and paste at the end. Why that's underline? Let's maybe kick this one out, the h1. Okay, so let's give it maybe size. Let's say maybe get a size maybe 40 em. Okay. Class, leave class name. Text, white. Also font, maybe 2. Okay, and style it. It is let's say maybe nav hyphen link. Let's give it maybe big size. Okay, so if I click here, I can go back to the home page, the notes one. If I want to add notes, I can click here. Okay, so marka at the phone can I click sino, it says add to the add note. So xudrina marka qayb kale oo ah qofna dooran karo color. Okay, ka waxaan qayb phone ka imaanayna. So timo marka let's add maybe another copy this one, paste, and okay, maybe pick color. So type customer color. So this okay, so open now. So let's go behind class can save. Nice. We're gonna maybe a video, maybe break, maybe okay. Can I break the circulation? Then you will break. Okay, nice. Okay, big color. Okay, nice. Amar isticmaala Chrome-ka. This one, I don't like this one. Okay, now it's nice. So okay, very good. So sameynayna marka nice. Marka waxa sameynayna waxa waaye waxaan diyaarinaynaa in API isticmaalno. So API isticmaalayno simply diyaarinay last time. Let's go to the backend side. Inta maragalno name words aan fiirno maxay sanaamayaan waa title, description, and also color iyo timeka waxaan la diiwaangeliyay. Okay, so let's go xamaana marka serverka tag dad baan iska xirno, and also close this one too, close this one. Okay, so server da imaano API aan qornay kan waa marka data lagu xareynayo. markaan isticmaalaynaa so methodka post waaye this waa linka u baahannahay. Okay, good. So marka soo laabo formka imo dhabtaan naga xir formka imaanaan kor waxaa diyaarinaynaa variables isticmaalin const maybe title and also set title. So isticmaalin fashion la dhahayo statement way hooks. So hadana waxaa baahnaa description comma and also set description. Then you state. So for now what's in a value, initial value, so now 0. Okay, so then I'll see by now the other one, which is the color, comma, set the color. You state also for now has no value. Okay, marka formka marka u bas garayno waxaad sameynay go to the formka. So label 1, this one I guess. So I don't have a value. Let's say maybe title. So I can have the join change to had minus button. So let's say maybe event. Okay, then set title. Yes, title. So event is event dot target then dot value. So value dus bedelo wayna waa karnaa aniga oo lagu siiya. Okay, so let's go to this one and also this one the same thing. So maybe value, maybe description. All right, and on change, if there is something that's gonna be changed, okay, so set call the description function. Say event dot the target and then value. All right, so let's go to the final one, which is the color. Take the value first, take the color and also on change. So event, if there is any action that's gonna happen, just update the state. So set the color, then event dot the target dot the value. I think we're all good. So I'll save that. It's well good. So let's create a function. Const. Also maybe create, maybe note. Check that function. And this function, let me first display something. The log. So maybe title, maybe color, and this will be a description. Save that. First, let me call it. Let's use this function. So button can or save cam kill reho. We want to see the action. So let's go there and say maybe on click if there is action. Call that function, please. If you've been press create. Is it create note? Yeah, save that. Okay, now so the fresh. So go to the inspect and we want to see the console. Go to the console part, clean this one. What is the issue? So I'll say maybe test, maybe some description, pick the color, maybe right, then hit save. All right, so there is some behavior on the browser. So we're gonna say event. There is event dot prevent any action. Prevent any default action. So refresh that. Now maybe select test. Let's say maybe some test tools. Pick the color and now hit save. Now we have the old values. Nice. So now we're good to go. We can use the API. So just ignore those guys. Alright, ignore those guys. So we're about to use something called Axios. It is very easy library, so you can install Axios. Okay, import Axios from Axios, I think. So the way you install is I run the npm install Axios. You're gonna have that one. Okay, so Axios isticmaalayo sorena maadaama API uu yahay now we're putting data into the database, so it's always post. So where is the endpoint? http colon dash dash slash localhost colon 5000 slash any of register. Is register? I'll see, check. Yes, register. Okay, is register. Nice. Then comma and then the value title, maybe title, description should be description itself, and final color will be color. Okay, so then if this is our successful one, then response, I want to see the response. So console.log display the response to data. If there is any maybe issues, also I want to see the issues. Console.log display the issues. All right, I think now we're good, so I'll save that and maybe get back here. So it'll say test, maybe some tests blah blah, and also color maybe red. I want to see the behind the scene. Let's see this. Go to cancel, hit save. So go to the network part. Okay, I think now it works. Okay, nice, very good. So now let's check the API. So let's access this here. Close that. And access this localhost maybe 5000 slash nodes. Where's the test? Okay, nice. And test is very nice. This is the color code. Okay, now we're good. This is the API. So we're done with this one, and now I want to maybe display the data from the database. Save this, and now let's come back to the maybe close this form, close this one, and also come back to the main. So main is here. Let's go back to this is the main part. This is there. Okay, so let's make maybe a division div class, maybe container. Okay, so now we're gonna have maybe 3 boxes. Div class, maybe box 1. You're gonna maybe some title, let's say maybe reading books, and also a paragraph for maybe some maybe dummy data test. Okay, and finally I think that's what we need. Save that, and now okay, now we have one box. Okay, let's come to the style part and go to the CSS. Okay, that box 1, let's give maybe nice height. Okay, nice. So let's give it maybe some padding, maybe 12 pixel. Also let's round the corners, border radius maybe 8 pixel. Okay, very nice, very good. Okay, so let's make maybe double boxes. Let's copy this one and paste, maybe 4. Okay, good. These are my notes. Maybe let's make another copy. Maybe 2 more. 1, 2 more, yeah. Okay, good. So now this data is totally static one. We want to make it dynamic to the from database. This you have to fetch these things. Okay, so we have to do is that go to the come here and say maybe so maybe notes, maybe set notes 2. So use state. So now these are maybe arrays, I think. Notes. All right. So we're gonna call a function, and maybe you'll say get maybe all notes. Okay. So we're gonna call the API, and the same way as Axios, call the Axios. About to use that one, Axios. So let's now import from Axios here. Import Axios from Axios. Alright, so now let's come and say maybe Axios. So now we getting data from the database. So what do we have to use? What kind of method in the API? It's like get. We're getting data from the API. So where's the URL or the endpoint? Come here and copy this link. Okay, so paste, that's the URL, so we need. And then if there's anything that have no problems, let's see response. All right, response. So console.log, let's see the response.data. Let's put response. But if there is any maybe issues or catch the issues, console.log, then display the error. All right, so we're gonna call the API somewhere, the function somewhere. So you can use maybe another hooks, maybe use effect. Okay, so we're gonna call the function here. Let's call the function here get all nodes. So this one is that whenever this page gets access, it automatically changes the whole state. Alright, I'll save. Okay, so now let's see. Come here, and now let's go to inspect. Alright, so now we have, see this, the whole data. Okay, then let's use this data. So we have to use that, have to use those data. So come here in the box one, so we're about to use, we're gonna say don't display on console, but ability set nodes, response, the data. That's all we need. So let's come to the this part. So we're gonna use nodes dot maybe map, just map the data. In the case for maybe to use the index. All right, then grab this function, this division, and put it there, and then put it there, and close that div. All right, take that one and put it there, and all right. So now we can use the index one. So first we're gonna say, we're gonna put title here, then index dot title, save that, and now refresh. What is this? Canary properties. What am I doing wrong? Nodes dot map. All right, save that. What is the issue here? Cannot read the properties of undivided reading map. What is this? All right. So I don't think there is nothing wrong with this. Maybe item. Let's see the issues. I don't see any problem here, so maybe close this one and come to this Chrome. Do you all see any issues? Alright, so let's fix something. Nodes, these are nodes, right? Okay. Get. Okay. Alright, response. So response. Okay. So the issue was okay, now fix it. So now it's working fine. Okay, so cooking. Where is the data from? Let's see this here. We have reading book. Yeah. We have cooking. So let's use the description. Okay, so this paragraph, let's kick that data off and use the dynamic one. In the case dot description. We don't need that one, I don't think. Okay, nice. Very good. This looks too big. Maybe let's say this is maybe H3. Okay, that's very nice. So it looks very cool. Let's remove the other one, is the rest. I mean, let's use these things. Okay, nice. Test. So now let's add another data. Go to the add new data. I'll say maybe computer games. And we'll say I am going to maybe let's say play some computer games in the next maybe Monday. Let's maybe click a nice color and save that. So when I hit the save button, I want to take to the home page. So let's come to the phone and use import. Alright, then import, use navigate from router. Then we say let's make variable. So maybe navigate, use navigate, that function. So we're gonna come here. Once everything is done nicely, we don't need these things. We're going to navigate to the maybe home page, which is this one. Save that. Your navigate is not defined. Use navigate is not defined. So use navigate. That's all we need. Alright, now if I say maybe some names here. I'll say I will teach him how to code. Maybe I'll say that, and pick the color, maybe this color, and nice. I have here. Okay. What about the colors? I cannot use any color here. So Yahya is right here. Yahya, where's Yahya? Yeah. So colors, how can I use colors? I wanna give them the color. What is the diff one? This one. Let's say style, and let's say background color, hyphen, then indicates dot color. And now maybe what is do you mean? Yes, I mean I had to do double curly bracket. So save that, and now refresh. Now we have different colors. Very nice. Also, I want to put here the time and also some button to delete something. Okay, so come here, make div class, let's say maybe action. So I'm gonna so I'm gonna put here maybe two things. One paragraph first for the date, and say maybe index dot maybe time, right? What's time? Create at. Okay, so let's create it at. I'll see. Maybe create it at. Okay. Check that one. We put it here. what is these things? Create okay, so this one, all right, no worries. Let's say maybe a new date. Let's say then indicates the create at dot to maybe date string. Save that. Today string. Alright, take this one and put it outside of the box. Yeah. Invalidate. Carry out. What am I missing wrong? Index dot create out. Alright, okay. And then the other one is that maybe button and also icon. What is the React icon is import. Maybe okay. I want to import some icons. React icons. All right. Let's go to the maybe this one. React icons. And let's say delete icon. Delete icon. Check this one, maybe this one. And come here, import the icon first. Then let's use the icon here until the icon is from that place. All right, let's see then. Okay, so let's take this div and I'll go to the style. Let's say dot, then display flex, then justify space between. Okay, nice. So I want these things to be maybe, I want these things, this icon, let's give a class, booster class, btn, play with that. Nice. Okay, let's give it then maybe margin top, maybe 40 pixel. Give a big one, maybe 50. Okay, maybe 60 that one. Nice. What about using grade instead of maybe flex? Come here and say I want to use a grade view. Grade, and also I don't need this one. Grade, have a column. What is the width? 300 pixel, 300 pixel, and also 300 pixel. Nice. Grade's kind of nice. Okay. Oh, this one's working fine. So I want to delete this button. I don't want to work this one. So, okay, let's make it work. Okay, come here to the maybe this class and make the function. Say delete node. You want to delete the node. So what is the API first that we have to use? Go to the server, delete nodes. Yeah, so it's using by ID. All right, so it is delete. Okay, go back here, and first let's use the Axios dot. Now it is delete. What is the endpoint? HTTP / localhost in 5000 port / delete. Then this is where the API comes. I mean the ID number. So you have to use a backtick. Let's call that a backtick. Else, how do we get API then? I mean the ID. So we're gonna pass argument here, stay ID, check the ID, then everything is nice. Response, we wanna display the response, or we don't need that. Maybe display that console the log. Let's say maybe response, display that one. Response.data, and also let's display alert. Say maybe no deleted. Okay, but if there is maybe error, let's catch the error. Catch. Alright, console.log, display that error. I think we're good, so we're gonna call this function here. What is this one? So go inside and say on click. So it's maybe function. It takes also an argument. Then call the function delete node. Delete node. Then we're gonna pass the ID. So what is the ID? Index dot the ID of database. Okay, let's try now. Okay, how about let's open also to the inspect, and maybe I'll see if I can delete this one. Let's go to the console part. What is this? Alright, let's hit this one. Now we deleted one. Okay, but it's still remaining there. Why? Okay, reading book. Let's check here. Refresh. Now it's been deleted. There's no reading book. But now you can see that it is still right here. It didn't get deleted. So we have to do is that if it's nice, we're gonna call the function get all nodes to update the data. Okay, so now what about this one? Also delete. All right, now we're done. What about this one? All right, we're done. What about swimming? We're done. What about another one? We're done. Better games. Now we're done. Okay, refresh. Now we have two data here, two boxes. Let me add one other one. Let's say maybe let's say swimming and going to a swim. So maybe tomorrow morning. Hit pick the color, maybe this color, this one maybe, and save that. And we have this one. Pretty nice. And add another one. Say maybe lighting, a new one. Okay, I am about to learn something maybe awesome, and the color, nice, very good. What about another one? Let's say maybe Java. I would like to maybe explore more about Java, and also be a Java lover. Okay, let's pick a nice color. Maybe you have doonaa. What this come? Yeah, orange. Save that. Now, nice and clean. Let's maybe add more. We'll say maybe practice. We will practice our coding lessons for about 1 hour, and also to play typing game. Just some data. Alright, then maybe that one. Not. Alright, then save. Wow, this the latest one. Alright, I think we're all done. Test, and maybe some dummy data here. Thank you, sir. Save that. And now we're good. So finally, Waxaa, a full stack node application, node taking application. So you can delete, you can make. It is very nice, and I hope you learned something new from this. Thank you guys. I can delete you here. Yeah. That's it, guys. Take care. Bye. If you wanna have maybe the code, you can ask for maybe the comment down below. Take care. Bye.